who has graced us with her presence this afternoon. We are apologetic that our principal will be here shortly. He is right now at a meeting in Sarat Bose. He's on his way, so he's asked us to start the program. He will come because his portion will be towards the end, where he will be coming up to give the vote of thanks. We are also happy to have, if we don't have the principal, we have the substitute here. Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to have Rene Gasper with us, and you will be happy to know he's the only child amongst us. So at least we have one child to be performing here on stage live. So thank you, Rene, for that. Before we begin today's celebration, I will request my darling sister Sandra to please come up and let us open this lovely Children's Day, pre-Children's Day celebration with a word of prayer. Looking so lovely. A big hand for our very own Mrs. Sandra Singh to open with a word of prayer.
Let us just for a moment close our eyes and stand up and just remember God. For we all were once children, and we as teachers are always children at heart. And we always be children in the deepest emotions of our heart. And so we thank God from the bottom of our hearts as we listen to this prayer and make it our own. Almighty, ever-loving God, in the Bible, in the Word of God, it says, when Jesus was tired and sitting under the tree, many little children came to him. And all the apostles and disciples stopped them from coming closer to him, saying that he is tired. But Jesus said, never let this happen again. Never stop the children from coming to me. And even the Word of God tells us, unless we become like little children, we cannot enjoy the kingdom of God. And so thanking God for this great gift that He's given each one of us, especially all our children and each one of our hearts which are childlike. We ask God's blessing on this program, and we ask that each and every item be blessed. Along with that, our school and institution of St. Augustine's Day School. We make this prayer in God's holy and precious name. Amen.
Amen. Yes, so thank you, dear Sister Sandra, and apologies from Ma'am Esther Gasper, our treasurer. Actually, you will be happy to know, and I need to announce it here, that on Sunday, after a very, very long time, we will be having a reunion of our ex-students, right, not here, but outside the auditorium. In fact, when you're leaving, you just have a look, because we tried to make it into a little classroom and give that ambience of school days. So on Sunday, a lot of our ex-students will be coming, and I will request all you teachers who are in touch with ex-students, please inform them about this celebration that we are having. It is 499 rupees, which will include, they will get a t-shirt and of course a food packet. The food packet will be a lot of school stuff, like things that you enjoy eating in school, like an egg chop or a chow mein or a fried rice, or maybe a banana and a boiled egg, things like this, So please share the word, spread the word around that St. Augustine's Day School is organizing a reunion on Children's Day for its ex-students, and it's on first come first served basis. So we can only accommodate about 80 to 100 of these ex-students. So whoever registers with us will be invited for the same. So Ma'am Esther Gasper's brainchild, it is her idea. So she is a little caught up with the organization and the preparations for this reunion that we are having on Sunday. So without much ado, once again, we are so happy to be gathered here and celebrating one of the most important days in a school calendar, and that is Children's Day. Because what is a school without its children? And that feeling we have got so clearly in the past 18 to 19 months, because we've all been coming to school, but the school building is there, but that hustle, that bustle, that warmth that we get from our children, we have been missing for many months. But maybe virtually, this is our way of showing our love, our affection, our care towards every child that is put in our care. So a very happy, blessed and prosperous Children's Day to each and every child, not only in St. Augustine's, but each and every child around the world. A very happy Children's Day, and we got a short, but as I said, a lovely program coming up for you. The first one is wishes and greetings. I'm sure the children would love to see their children. I know they've seen most of them online during the class, but to see them in a different mode, in a different mood. So here we have the first item coming up on screen, wishes and greetings from the teachers to the children. Wishing them a very happy Children's Day. Sit back, relax and enjoy.
To all my dear students, I extend my love and regards to all of you. You are the world's most valuable resources and its best hope for the future. You carry the hopes for our brighter tomorrow. I wish you joy and success. Keep the child in you alive and raise. I believe all of you will develop up to be able pioneers and lead the world towards light. All the best to the ones appearing for ICSE and ISC examinations. Keep your spirits up and do well. God bless you all.
A very happy Children's Day to all you lovely children. God bless each one of you. Have fun. Have a great day.
Happy Children's Day to everyone listening to me today. I am sure you are all working towards a successful future. So children, how do you define success and failure? Just know that success is not in the volume of money that you will earn in your lives. It is not in the richness. It is not in the branded cars that you will drive. And it is not in the recognition that the world is going to give you. Just know that success, being successful in life, is being able to carry a smile and to be joyful even if you are going through hell, even if you are going through difficult and tough situations in your life. There is nothing called failure. You will be going through many exams. You have already appeared for many exams. So our family, our society, our culture, they have trained us into an idea of being successful and being a failure. Do not get entrapped in that idea. Have your own idea. Know that if you are better today than yesterday, you are successful. If you're being able to reach out to someone and the problems of your life, know that if you are alive,
you're the future of our country. So on this day, I wish you joy and success in whatever you do. So I wish you a happy Children's Day. Stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.
Wishing a very happy Children's Day to all my students. God bless you.
Being a student is not easy. And this is the most beautiful phase of your life, and you must make the best of it and enjoy it to the fullest. Obstacles come into our lives, but they prepare us for something better. Treat them as opportunities, and you will surely succeed. So dear children, here's wishing you a very happy Children's Day.
My dear children, you are an amazing gift of God. You are not only the future of your parents, but also the future of our state and our country as well. I enjoy every moment teaching you, and I would love to do it as long as I am in my service. My dear students, may you grow up to be a better human being. Very, very happy Children's Day, all of you.
Happy Children's Day, all my lovely children. Hope this day and every day of your life keeps a smile on your face. Hope you are always happy, healthy, and prosperous in life. And I really hope that next year, when I wish you a happy Children's Day, you are there in front of me and I wish you in person. Again, happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to my dear students. I would like to wish each and every precious student of mine a life full of happiness in which you blossom to the fullest. Learning, dear children, is a treasure that follows its owner everywhere. So invest well in knowledge as it pays the best interest. I earnestly wish you all to be lifelong learners, passionate leaders, compassionate, caring, and productive members of an ever-changing global society. Be like a star that shines even when unseen. Once again, a very happy Children's Day to my wonderful students. Blessings always.
Here's wishing all you lovely, lovely children a very happy and a very special Children's Day. What would this world be without children? And today, we as teachers have actually realized the importance of children in our lives, because it's been so long that we've been with you, met you, interacted with you. So here on your special day, wishing you a very, very, very happy, blessed, prosperous Children's Day. Thank you. Yes, that was lovely. Can we have a loud round of applause? Wishes, blessings on all our children. And we have someone special to thank for this. Thank you, Nyasha. Nyasha, wherever you are, where is Nyasha? What? Okay. Okay, Nyasha Patra, you may not, many of you may not be familiar with her. She's joined us recently as a computer teacher in the middle school. So let's give her a big hand, although she's not here. We are happy for all that she does for us. Coming up now, ladies and gentlemen, is something really very special. I have been seeing these teachers locking themselves in the room for the past 2 or 3 days, and I watched them today putting on their costumes and getting their props in order, and I just said to myself, wow, what enthusiasm. So ladies and gentlemen, it takes no guessing to tell you where that enthusiasm comes from nowhere else but our section. A big hand for our pre-primary teachers coming up with a lovely presentation. It is a group song, and I will not take the names because it is the entire team coming up all together for a lovely performance for us and especially for all our children. Ladies and gentlemen, the pre-primary section with their action song.
If I were
just super. I think that was excellent. Well done. Beautifully put up by our pre-primary teachers. Congratulations. And before we say tata and bye-bye to them, they are coming up again. Don't worry, you will get, I know that you're not satiated with their performance. You need some more. Then you should have shouted. Come on, one more time. Yeah, they will be coming up a little later. Okay, moving forward. Again, the next person that I'm calling up needs no introduction. Children just adore him. They just love him. So I'm sure when this is uploaded online, wherever the children are, they'll all be shouting, A.K. Singh sir, A.K. Singh sir. And please, he's not coming up with any shairi today. No char panktiya. Today it's beef panktiya. Because he's coming up with a recitation. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our very own Mr. Arvind Kumar Singh with a recitation in Hindi for all our beloved children.
चार पंक्तियां ही हैं।
ओह, तो यहाँ पे रेसिटेशन लिखा है।
हेलो।
नहीं सर, यहाँ पे रेसिटेशन।
हेलो, हेलो।
मिस्टर हार्डी, give me that. You still won't sound like me. Huh? You still won't sound like me.
Happy Children's Day.
It's not on, sir. Put it on.
हेलो। चार पंक्तियां बच्चों के लिए पहले, क्योंकि ये कार्यक्रम जो है बच्चों का कार्यक्रम है, तो अपनी जमी अपना आकाश पैदा कर, प्लीज, कि अपनी जमी अपना आकाश पैदा कर, अपने कर्मों से इतिहास पैदा कर, मांगने से कुछ नहीं मिलता मेरे बच्चों, अपने हर कदम पर विश्वास पैदा कर। और एक है कि आज एक बार एक डॉक्टर ने एक मरीज से कहा कि सुबह जल्दी उठने से उम्र बढ़ती है। डॉक्टर ने मरीज से कहा कि सुबह जल्दी उठने से उम्र बढ़ती है। मरीज ने कहा कि मुर्गा रोज जल्दी उठता है और शाम को शहीद हो जाता है। एक छोटा बच्चा दुकानदार से कहता है, अंकल गोरा होने की क्रीम है आपके पास? बार बार दुकानदार से जाके यही कहता है कि अंकल आपके पास गोरा होने की क्रीम है? अंकल कहता है हाँ है। बच्चा बोलता है, लगाते क्यों नहीं, रोज देख कर डर लगता है। और एक है कि आगरे का एक धोबी दिल्ली गया था। क्यों गया था बताने के लिए कि आगरे का धोबी एक दिन राजधानी आया, दिल्ली वालों से वो बोला दुखियों के मन में, नगर नगर गया, डगर डगर गया, मिला नहीं वन में, मिला नहीं उपवन में, पीले पे चढ़कर ढेंचू ढेंचू करता था, बड़ा होनहार दिखता था बचपन में, और पिछले इलेक्शन से मेरा गधा लापता है, ढूंढने आया उसे संसद भवन में। ताली बजाओ, ताली जरूरी है कि मैं वो कवि नहीं हूँ, मैं वो कवि नहीं हूँ जो बिक जाती है दरबारों में। मैं शबनम की दीप सिखा हूँ गलियों और चौबारों में। मैं वाणी का राजदूत हूँ, सच पे मरने वाला हूँ, डाकू को डाकू कहने की हिम्मत रखने वाला हूँ। उस कवि का मर जाना ही अच्छा है जो खुददार नहीं। देश जले मैं कुछ ना बोलूं, मैं ऐसा गद्दार नहीं। गुड आफ्टरनून। देश जले मैं कुछ ना बोलूं, मैं ऐसा गद्दार नहीं। और एक है कि बिहार की राजधानी पटना, उसमें घटी एक घटना। बूढ़ा बूढ़ी का पेयर, होटल में डाल चेयर, बैरा आया, ऑर्डर लिखवाया, सामान लाया। बूढ़ा खाया, बूढ़ी पंखा झेलती रही और हाथ मलती रही। फिर बूढ़ी खाई, बूढ़ा पंखा झेलता रहा, हाथ मलता रहा। यह देख बहरे का सर चकराया। उसने कहा, लैला मजनू के माई बाप, आप दोनों में है इतना प्रेम तो खाते क्यों नहीं एक साथ? बूढ़ा बोला, बेटा बेट, तुम्हारा कहना तो है नेक, हमारे पास दांतों का सेक है। और ये आखिरी 4 पंक्तियां मेरे लिए, 4 पंक्तियां जो है वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए कि जला हरदम ही जला, पर इतना ख्याल किया, निर्दोष पतंगों को जलने से बचाया मैंने। ओ दुनिया वालों कुछ भी कहना मेरे बाद, मगर ये ना कहना कि किसी के दिल को दुखाया मैंने। थैंक यू।
That was Mr. Arvind Singh for you in his glories. Thank you, sir. Thank you for what you have given us. Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, please excuse us for this next performance. Actually, this is coming up from the NIOS section of our school. For our NIOS students, we have a very small unit in the NIOS. So, Mrs. Rakhi Biswas in her home and myself in my office tried to put something together for our NIOS children. So, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause as Mr. yours truly and Mrs. Rakhi Biswas, who's not here today, but will be present with us virtually.
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी धुन, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम? कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है घुमर घुमर घुम घुम। कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम। कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमर घुमर घुम घुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है
हो हो हे, बादल झुकी झुकी सी है, रास्ता रुकी रुकी सी है।
क्या तेरी मर्जी हमको जाने न दे।
आगे है बरसात, पीछे है तूफान, मौसम में ईमान, कहाँ चले हम तुम। कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक चुम चुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है,
अंबर झुका झुका सा है,
सब कुछ रुका रुका सा है,
चाहे सामा कितना प्यारा,
सावन का समझो इशारा,
ऐसे मौसम में तुम भी कुछ कहो, हम भी कुछ करो, करे दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम चक दुम दुम। कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है तनक छनक तुम
छनक छनक चुम चुम, कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है, घुमड़ घुमड़
दुम दुम चक दुम दुम हो
So that was our little presentation from the NIOS department. And now enough of this virtual mode. It's time to have something live and kicking. So ladies and gentlemen, as I said at the beginning of my introduction, we are blessed to have at least one child amongst us on this occasion of Pre-Children's Day. So for all of us here this afternoon.
One touch and you got me stoned, higher than I ever know. You call the shots and I follow. Sunrise but still too young, no words but we speak in tongues. And if she may, I might say too much. Your touch blow my machine. It's trouble, I'm just in all there and store, and I'm not thinking straight. Cause I'm off my face, so into you. I'm out my head, so in for you. And I don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're not but they're too young, no one's probably speaking tongues. If she lets me let, I might say too much. Your touch blow my vision. It's your world, I'm just in all damn so when I'm not thinking straight. Cause I'm off my face, so into you. I'm off my head, so in for you. When I don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, cause I'm off my face, so into you. I'm off my head, so in for you. Cause I don't know how to do it, but I'm forever ruined by you. Ooh, by you.
the next part. You all have asked for an encore of sorts. So once again, coming up on stage, please put your hands together for all our lovely pre-primary teachers. And while they're coming up, I would this time really like to personalize it and mention all those who took part from the beginning, whether it was Sandra Singh or Rituparna Pal, Junika Rai, Mary Francis, Sarah Hussain, Teresa Gomes, Mary Rosario, Michelle Lawrence, Pamela Francis, Surbhi Shaw, Arundhati Adhikari, Dolly Chaudhary and Maheshwata Mukherjee, led so ably by Ma'am Suman Rao. Can we give them all a very loud round of applause? Ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion of Children's Day, once again on stage, our pre-primary section for you. Awesome. And I must tell you, this was all in a little classroom for just 2 or 3 days. But they were just superb on stage. I think they deserve another huge round of applause. Well done, pre-primary section, for your love and affection to all our children, which was shown so clearly right here on the stage. And now, ladies and gentlemen, something very different. We've seen a lot of singing. I mean, we've heard a lot of singing and we've seen a lot of dancing. But now, we've got someone coming up here with something very unique.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today,
afternoon everyone. Today I'll be performing a few magic tricks. I hope everyone enjoys it. Where is my magic stick like Harry Potter had? Have you seen it? I can't search for it. I can't see where it is. There, I found it. I also have like the Harry Potter, but it's too small.
Yeah.
But as I am a very good magician, I don't require a stick like Harry. So I'm going to disappear. Let's see. All of you focus. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. It's gone.
But there
is it?
No, it's there.
Wait, I can't see.
There in your hand.
Oh, it's popping up. How is it possible? Did I did something wrong? Let me try again. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. It's not going. I think so. He loves me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to utilize this for my next magic.
Okay.
He's very sincere, doesn't want to vanish, that's why. I require someone, a volunteer. Anyone? Samik sir? So you're all the time on the stage, sir. Let others also come. Next Samik sir is also coming. Okay, not a problem. Please give him a clap. I want one more. Okay, not a problem. I have a rope over here. It's going to be cut into pieces. I'm not going to do that. This is all yours, sir. Do some hard work, sir. I can help you a little bit. Sir, please cut as many pieces you can. But don't delay, okay? Audience are waiting. Fast! So cut only. That's why I said, someone, you know. Oh, more.
Senior citizen.
Oh, sorry. Senior citizen, you know. Give respect. Take respect.
Give respect, take respect.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you. You can stand here. Thank you, sir. With the scissors in my hand. Wait, sir. It's not yet finished. Is it possible for me to join these?
No.
Let's give it a try, you know. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. This is my magic bag. No sweets. Sorry. No sweets. Okay, sir. Please pick these pieces. No, you can just keep it inside the bag. You want to count? Not a problem. 1, 2, 3. will come to know. Okay? As my magic stick didn't vanish, always wants to be with me. So let's take help from my magic stick. Abracadabra, gili gili choo. Sir, please come see. What's happening? Sir, you please see properly.
I'm not blind.
Sir, but I saw you wearing specs.
You wear my specs, I forgot my specs.
That's it. See nicely, sir.
You change the color or
What? Color changes. What's happening? What's happening over here? I'm trying to do A and it's happening B. Not a problem. I'm feeling thirsty, talking also.
See again what you did?
Okay, you can see, sir. Thank you. Part is not over, just 1 minute. I'm feeling very thirsty.
You can take your place.
I can see Principal Sir is having juice and I will have water. Almost over. I think so it's about like yellowish color, I would also like to have that juice. Let's see. No water. No bottle. Sir, did I get the juice, sir?
Not yet.
Not yet? Abracadabra, gili gili choo, I want Principal Sir's juice. But water only can quench the thirst, not the juice. So I think so, let me convert the juice into water. Abracadabra. Can anyone say this? Abracadabra? Abracadabra? Abracadabra?
Oh, that's it.
Thank you. Thank you. Neil sir, you can help me out.
See from where the water came.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I think Shahid would require a louder round of applause. Thank you, Shahid, for that lovely interaction and mesmerizing session that we had with you right here, right now. We've got a recitation coming up. We've heard Mr. A.K. Singh, and now we have something in English. So ladies and gentlemen, he may be new to you because he's just joined us a couple of months back. He's working in the primary section in class 3. He's a class teacher. Let us give a loud round of applause and for the first time welcome on stage Mr. Nigel Graham. Nigel, the stage is all yours. Coming up with a lovely recitation in English. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. On the occasion of Children's Day, I'm going to recite a short poem which is dedicated to the children of our school and of the world, especially the underprivileged ones. We as teachers should bring out the inner talent of the young ones and mold them into responsible citizens. Let us lift up the children we love today. Let us lift up the children we have met. Let us lift up the promise in each small heart of the children we don't know yet. Let us lift up the children with families. Let us lift up the children alone. Let us lift up the children with voices strong before all the children are grown. Let us lift up the children who work in fields and the children at school and play. Let us lift our world's children together. Let us lift up all children, I pray. Thank you.
Beautiful. That was a lovely prayer. And thank you, Nigel, for leaving us with those beautiful words. Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, we have a presentation.
Dear students, you have always done a lot for us. You have shown your love and respect for the teachers in so many ways. It's time we let you know how much you all mean to us. So we are here to take you down the memory lane through a series of songs that would remind you of your entire school life.
Yes, remember when we first stepped into the premises of our school as toddlers, so innocently holding on to our mothers?
That reminds me of the song
teachers were so loving and so caring, just like our parents, and perhaps even more. Whatever they said were like universal truths. They guided us like
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार करे एक ऐसे गगन के तले.
Then we moved on to primary, started to know the others in the class, made friends for the first time, and how we enjoyed our playtime.
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे जुमारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के दुम पे जुमारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा.
And through our days of fun and activities, we came to the junior classes. There was a sudden feeling of being grown up. We started emulating our seniors. The feeling was something like,
जो सब करते हैं यार वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे, घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे,
यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सब सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, अरे हमसे बच के रहना मेरे यार, वो सिकंदर ही दोस्त को कहलाता है, हर बाजी को जीतना जिसे आता है।
While we were in the middle school, we died to be in the senior classes. It was a dream to live those years, the years of transformation and the final bonding.
Oh yes, so many varied emotions. We had our own groups, or should we say gangs. We fought with each other and for each other over silly issues. We made friends for life.
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार।
And how could we forget that those were the times when we developed a special admiration, that infatuation for our favorite teachers.
Exactly. I still remember my favorite teacher who, besides being so loving and compassionate, used to dress up so nicely every day. Her style was immaculate and I wanted to become a teacher just like her from then on.
Now that reminds me of this SRK song which Shushmita said in a lovely chiffon sari. तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा, तुम्हें जो मैंने जाना, तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा, तुम्हें जो मैंने जाना, जो होश था वो हो गया, बदली खुशबू, जगह लगी जादू, तुम हो के बेकाबू।
But don't forget, we all had that one star beauty in senior classes whom everybody idealized and wanted to be friends with. And they thought no end of themselves.
Remember that song from the movie Dil, which best describes this situation?
हमें जैसी कड़ी है, लड़की है या चढ़ी है, शोला है फुलझड़ी है, पत्ता की लड़ी है, आंखों में गुस्सा है, लव बिगाड़ी है, अरे गुजर खुद को समझती है क्या?
Very good. And somewhere in this turbulence, some of us lost our hearts, falling in love for the first time. Those emotions only reminds me of the song.
पहला नशा, पहला धुआं, नया प्यार है, नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल, है दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता। पहला नशा, पहला
all these comes to a sudden pause when we realize that we are already the senior most class at the verge of writing the most terrifying exam of our life.
ISA Confusion ही confusion है, solution कुछ पता नहीं, solution को मिला तो सारा प्रश्न का तो पता नहीं, दिल जो तेरा बात बात पे घबराए, दिल पे रख के हाथ उसे तो फुसलाए, तो होठ घुमा सिटी बजा के बोल नैया all is well, नैया all is well, नैया all is well।
And then we come to the saddest part of our life, the time when we realize that school life is coming to an end. The final days of goodbye.
But this remains the favorite phase of our lives forever. We leave school all set to face the challenges of the outer world. What remains with us are the fond memories.
Goodbye to you, my trusted friend. We've known each other since we were 9 or 10. Together we climbed hills and trees. Learned of love and ABCs, skipped our hearts and skipped our knees. Goodbye, my friend, it's hard to die. When all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that spring is in the air, little children everywhere, think of me and I'll be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the hills that we climbed were just seasons out of time. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the hills that we climbed were just seasons out of time.
Thank you all and happy Children's Day.
That was so lovely, so unique. Thank you to all our senior teachers, especially Shayate for that whistle. I think he deserves.
Say something.
Basically you have all seen the scene. It is an examination hall, and we have Mr. French there, who is sitting. He's a serious student, a meritorious student, and which he is. And we have Mr. Peterson, Mr. Eric Peterson, who is just the opposite of Mr. Neil French. He is very, what is the opposite of meritorious? English teachers, Jolly ma'am? Non-meritorious. No, not non-meritorious. Margaret ma'am? What is it? Demeritorious, yes, demeritorious, of course. So, Mr. Demeritorious and Mr. Meritorious, just an interaction in an exam hall. Relax, sit back, and enjoy what happens.
Oh my God, if the children start doing it.
That's a new one. Bring the thing together. You have 5 minutes more. Children, please tie up your answer scripts. You've got 2 minutes more. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, the exam is over. Well done, that was Mr. Eric Peterson and Mr. Neil French for you. God bless you, have a lovely day, a lovely life ahead. Stay happy, stay blessed, and a very happy, blessed Children's Day to all our children and to all of us, because we all are children in our hearts. God bless, have a lovely day. Thank you.
होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया
जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक मिस्टेक बेटा।
Okay. As always, I've been asked to give the vote of thanks. So I said, give thanks with a grateful heart and give thanks to the Lord. So, that's what we will be doing. And I'm sure that it was a lovely performance by all the teachers who have worked very hard in putting today's program, and all the departments, all our three, the street boards that we have. They have done a marvelous job in their performances that we seen today, and I'm sure that all the students, you all enjoyed the program to a great extent. Although we did not have you here with us physically, but I'm sure that the next Children's Day program, you all will be here, and we will have a wonderful celebration with you, because I know you all have missed out on the physical mode of the programs which every year we've been having. But anyways, we will definitely see that you will also get a fair share of what you are missing out. So anyways, the good news is that slowly and steadily we'll be back to school, and I'm sure that you will be interested to come back to school after so many, maybe 2 years. So not just a couple of just a vacation. So it was I would say it's a very lengthy summer vacation that you got. So let's put it that way. But anyways, I'm sure that we'll be waiting for the students, especially for classes 9 to 12, who will be coming and joining us from the 16th itself. And then hopefully we should be able to even start the other classes in, in small piecemeal ways will be there for the pre-primary and the primary, so everybody gets a fair opportunity to come to school and enjoy the school life which you children are missing out. So with that, I only have to say, we're just waiting for things to normalize, and things are actually moving in a very positive direction, and we sure that with all the blessings of the Almighty and the grace of God, we will be going in full flow from after the 16th of November. And once again, I'd like to thank everybody, all the teachers who put up a great performance today. Of course, Rene also for his contribution in making today's program a very good success. of course all the support team, Marco for doing a good job on the camera for once at least. The last time it was also good, but it would definitely was better than what it was. Mr. Abhijit Mukherjee, as usual, always there for us, and the others, Pranab and Dilip and our admin, Mr. Joseph, who has also done all these great arrangements in the hall. And I'm sure that we look forward for the opening of our school on the 16th, and we look to see and welcome all of you. Thank you and all the best.
Happy Children's Day. Thank you, sir. And just before you leave, we like to save the best for last. So on Principal Sir's instructions, I would like to call upon Mr. Eric Peterson, and who's there with you? Take Neil.